right, today we're going to look at translation. So translation is taking an image and shifting it a certain direction. So this is to translate triangle DEF 3 units to the right and 7 units down. We're going to move each point the same direction. So 3 units to the right. So count 1, 2, 3. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do the same thing with all the other points. Right 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when we finish, we will have the same shape and the same size. All right, so on 2, we're going to translate 1 to the left and 3 units up. So it doesn't matter where you start, any letter. So 1 left, up 1, 2, 3. R, left 1, up 1, 2, 3. And T, left 1, up 1, 2, 3. So again, same shape, just shifted into a different position. 3, we're going to translate the quadrilateral 2 units left and 6 units down. So left 2, 1, 2, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. K, left 1, 2, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same thing with M. And same thing with L. So we can see our shape is moved into a different location. It went left 2 and down 6. And we're going to translate our quadrilateral 5 units to the right and 6 units up. Start at any letter. So I'm going to start at D. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we'll do the same thing with C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then repeat with B and with A. So now let's look mathematically what's going to happen with our translation. So when this one says to translate 7 units to the right and 1 unit down, right is going to tell us to add. We go to the right with anything, we always add. So I'm going to take my x values and add 7 to each of them. So negative 4 plus 7 is 3, negative 1 plus 7 is 6, and 4 plus 7 is 11. For my y value, we're going to move the unit down 1, so that means to minus 1. So negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. Number 6, we're going to translate 5 units left and 3 units down. Left is going to tell me to go negative. So I have negative 5 minus 1 minus negative 5 is negative 4. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. And 4 minus 5 is negative 1. Then with our y values, we're going to go 3 units down. So again, down means minus. We're going to minus 3. Negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 0 minus 3 is negative 3. Now for our quadrilaterals, we're going to translate our units 2 units to the right and 4 units up. Right, we're going to add 2. So negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. And then we're going to translate for our y values 4 units up. So that means plus 4. Negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. Negative 1 plus 4 is 3. And then we're going to translate our next shape by 3 units left and 5 up. Left is going to be negative, so we're going to minus 3. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Then my y's, we're going to add 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. Negative 3 plus 5 is 2. Negative 3 plus 5 is 2. All right, so we're going to do the same concept on ones where we're actually looking for the rule. So we're still going to talk about left and right. So left we subtract, add we're going, or right we're going to add. We go up, we add, we go down, we subtract. So pick a point. I'm going to start with A. We always start the figure without the little tick mark. We call that prime. So we're going to go from A to A prime. We go left and right, and then we're going to go up or down. So I'm going to go left 2 spaces. So that's going to be -2. And then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces, and that's going to be -5. So my rule is going to be x minus 2, y minus 5. Okay, so on D, I'm going to pick a letter. I'm going to do F. So I'm going to go from F to F prime. So F with the tick mark, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that going to the right is +5, going up is +1. So I write that as x plus 5, y plus 1. So the 5 goes with the x because that's left and right, and that's what x tells me to do. And the +1 went up, and that goes with the y because y goes up and down. All right, number 3, I'm going to do J. So this is going to tell me to go just straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is +6. So since I went up, my x value will just be x. There's no x plus 0, x minus 0. It's just x since nothing was changed. And then we'll do y plus 6. Number 4, we have p. I'm going to start at regular p and go to p prime. We go over -6 and then up 1, 2, 3. That'll be +3. So we have x minus 6, y plus 3. Okay, I'm going to pick S. So go from S to S prime. So we went over 4 to the right, so that's going to be plus. Went down, so that is -1. So we write that as x plus 4, y minus 1. And then our last one we're going to look at, I'm going to pick U. I just go straight over to U prime. That's over 4 spaces to the left. So I have x minus 4. And then since I didn't go up or down, we just place y.